Hello everyone, today we're gonna make a paper flower for my junk journal cover. Let's get started. Cut 4 pieces 2 by 2 inches square and 4 pieces 1.5 by 1.5 square. Now we're gonna make the first petal. Fold the square in half and then fold 2 corners toward the center evenly. And then fold along the center line toward the center and then fold it again. And then fold along the center line to make a crease. And then fold the pink edge toward the center line. And then press the green section toward the center line as well. Make sure to line up with the pink edge. Repeat and fold the other side. Now this is how the first petal looks like. Repeat and fold the rest of 7 petals. And now I'm going to place double-sided tape on the back side on the right leg. Place the double-sided tape on all 8 petals. Now insert each leg into the other with the leg that has a tape on and press it down. And the last one, tuck the leg inside the first one. Now we have the first layer of the flower completed. Now I place a double-sided tape on the back. And this is how we're going to attach this flower to my journal cover. And repeat the same process to the smaller petals and make the smaller flower, which will be the second layer of this paper flower. I glued down some golden glitters along the large petal edges, and then I'm gonna do the same way to the smaller petal edges. Let it dry.